So guess what, guys? They are here. They made it. There's Army. So we are in a seafood city, guys. Shopping here. We were here yesterday and we are back.
That's right.
Alright guys, we are here having ice cream, Magnolia.
Walang date eh.
We're having ice cream, guys, and we're having fun.
Our family protect COVID with a free flu shot. It's a world of care.
Mm.
A world of care.
Wow, Angie.
Are you hungry? Okay, let's go karaoke.
Alright guys, we're having fun in here. Everyone is wanting an ice cream. Okay, we'll go to the Ross Square and get candles.
I know!
No, I can't.
Balihat ako. Almost! Ay, wala. Ikaw na bigyan. Damo ko. Di ba yung isangyan sa kwarto? Ay, isangyan sa kwarto. Ay, isangyan sa kwarto. Ay, isangyan sa kwarto.
Alright guys, we are back and we are playing billiards.
Bisa lagi mamalik ka sa bawah. Wag ay puy ayo.
Oy.
Ay, padawag ko na
Wala pa rin, ano tayo?
No, you don't have chopsticks.
Oh, chopsticks for you, Tony. You don't have.
Alright guys, we are in Chinatown. We're having dinner.
I can actually peel it off. It's starting to come off.
We are just got done on our dinner and we are heading to the Venetian, guys, at the strip. We are having so much fun. So we're just waiting for the Uber. And I'll see you guys later. You guys having fun? Yes. Yes.
What happened to
Yeah, you guys having fun?
Nag-solo.
You guys having fun? We are back to Hal Hal. One of our friends read it as Hal Hal instead of a Halo Halo. So I introduced them to Hal Hal. See, I should have a discount here. A free Halo Halo.
Yes.
Because I brought them you guys here. Hal Hal. Hal Hal time.
It's better that way.
Is that good? Ooh, look at that.
I like so that's why.
Is that good, Pete?
Is it good? I don't know. I haven't tasted it.
Oh, you haven't?